Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to prepare chicken butter masala and chicken butter gravy. And so these are the pieces of drumsticks that I marinated with curd. This is curd. So I marinated with curd. Then I mixed black pepper. I also mixed garam masala, and this is dhania powder, and this is meat masala powder, and we can give alternately, we can give some chicken masala powder also, and this is some red chili flakes. So including all I marinated properly, and I kept it for half an hour. Start dahi, 2 teaspoon of curd, then little bit of turmeric, then little bit of
मम्मी वो कहाँ है? अब वो उसका नाम भूल गया मैंने, पानी का बॉटल.
garam masala powder. This is garam masala powder.
गरम मसाला पाउडर क्यों दिया मेरे ना पानी का बॉटल के अंदर?
Powder, then little bit of meat masala powder, and then little bit of dhania powder. Then I mixed it. Then I'll mix little bit of ginger garlic paste, and I'll squeeze lemon also. I'll remove the seeds. And I will squeeze lemon juice on the top of it. And then so I mixed this legs of chicken with curd, then turmeric powder, then garam masala powder, then dhania powder, then ginger garlic paste, and then meat masala powder. Now I'll pour little bit of chili flakes also. Chili flakes I'll pour at the top. Now I'll mix it properly. And salt also I need to give little bit of salt also. Salt I have given as per assumption. And then after mixing it properly, I will pour red chili flakes. This is red chili flakes. I will keep it aside for 30 minutes, and then I'll put it into roast. After half an hour of marination, now I'll roast it in microwave. So let the roast become. So my roasting is going on now, and I'll wait till it gets so now roasting is done, and this is the roasted chicken. So if anyone wants to have the roasted chicken, they can have like this also. Otherwise, if I want to make chicken butter gravy style chicken, then I will enhance this roasted chicken further. Now after the chicken is roasted properly in microwave, I will prepare the chicken butter curry. For that I have cream, I have butter also. I'll put butter also in the gravy, and this is chicken masala powder, and in the chicken masala powder I will pour milk. Half cup of milk I'll pour. So I mixed properly milk and chicken masala powder, and my butter is also ready. So it's going on. And I'll little bit of sugar also I will give. Let me stir gently, very softly. it's going on. Now I'll pour cream on the top of it, and I'll stir again. Yeah, so finally the delicious chicken butter gravy is ready, and I'll plate it now for my family.